Hey guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to the channel, and we are going on an Ipsy adventure. Starting off with our Ipsy Glam Bag. The Ipsy Glam Bag used to be $10 a month. It's now $12 a month. You get 5 sample-sized items to try out from Ipsy. It comes in this little pink baggie, and let's see. I think my card's in here still. Yep, it is. I forgot to take it out. And if you guys want to hear all about my Ipsy and feel the love, just keep on watching. Okay guys, welcome back. I have been filming a lot of videos for you guys. I know we've had a little content drought, but I need my boxes to come in before I can film again, so I'm glad to see all my stuff is here. We're going to be getting into the Ipsy. This is the $12 a month sample subscription from Ipsy. Ipsy does have 3 different tiers. This is the lowest one. The theme this month was Feel the Love. It also had Save the Date, 2/24, Love at First Click. That's when we're going to be doing, I think, our picking. Let's see. Keep those lovey-dovey vibes going by choosing your favorite product on Choice Day, which is 2/24, which I gotta say, guys, they keep changing when Choice Day was. It used to be the 24th, and they changed it and changed it. So I'm glad if they could at least do one thing. If you keep it one day so we know, like the second is the day we do add-ons, let's keep one thing consistent for Choice Day. Treating yourself to exclusive bundles up to 80% off and indulging in flash sales. You deserve. That's where they give you all those options. Looks like you get a win a V-Day gift. This one just got sweeter. Enter for a chance to win a major glam bag. Okay, I'm sure it's over already. Excuse me. And let's see, we've got our 5 items here. This box wasn't my favorite, I'm going to be honest with you. But let's start off with something that really was, and that's this bag. This thing is stupid soft. It is like the softest of all possible soft bags. I need to find a purpose for this thing immediately. You know what I like for these things? A lot of things you can use, like put all your cables when you go away and stuff. Like we have an RV, and when we take it out, I usually throw like all my cables in here and stuff like that, or anything I need to throw in the pantry for my RV, or anything in the car. I use them for that stuff. And this one, I may even just leave this in my pocketbook. It is so nice. I'm really happy with this bag. It has, again, the little Ipsy pull tab, and it has an Ipsy inside of it, and it's got like a burgundy inside. So, love the bag. Let's get into the items. Let's start with the worst and work our way up. And we'll start with the Mercy Hand. This is a hand cream. The full size would be $7, so this sample is what? Nobody saw that. Like $2. I don't like hand creams. I don't like my hands being all slimy. They get slimy enough testing product. I don't know. I'm not really a huge fan of these, but let's see. Winter weather can wreak havoc on your hands. I live in Florida where it's always hot, but this hand cream is here to help. It's packed with vitamin, fatty acid, rich almond oil to heal your skin. Look closely, you'll see those tiny yellow dots. Those are emollient pearls that protect your skin and give your cream a big moisture boost. Tip: want to wake up softer hands, lather it on before bed. That would drive me nuts. But you know what? I think this might be, good for legs and feet too. So I might try this out as a body butter and see how I like it better. But if you guys love hand creams, it does sound pretty nice. So there's that one. The next thing we got was from It Cosmetics, and this is the oil-free primer. It's a really super little squeezy tube, and it says not only does this multitasking primer keep your makeup looking fresh, it's packed with good-for-you ingredients. I do love primers with skincare in them, so I'm excited to try this one. The full size of this one is $39. This sample would be something you get at like Sephora or something. So you know what? It's got 0.17 US fluid ounces. I'll definitely give it a try. I'm not unhappy about that. Alright, the next thing we got was from the Beauty Crop. I got one of those little baggies again where it makes it a flower. I'm so into this. I know I'm a tart. It's okay, you can laugh at me. But I love these little things. It makes this little like when you blow the flowers, like the dandelions. I love that. Anyway, Beauty Crop, it's a brush. It's a full size, so you're getting on the full size item in here. It's $13. I don't know, it's very kitty to me with the blue and the pink. I probably won't get a ton of use out of it because it's not my preferred kind of brush. It is somewhat soft, but it's kind of kitty to me. But I do love getting brushes. But I like Luxie brushes and some other brushes, but that one, Alright, 2 more items. The next thing was my choice item, and this was from Colored Rain. It was their liquid lipstick in 7 Heaven. Here is this, and I do want to try their formula. I have swatched this, and I'll put a picture of it up here when I took my stuff from my Lifestyle.Ella Instagram review page and my Lifestyle by Ella Facebook review page. This is a very, very thick liquid lipstick. Their doe foot is very straight, and this stuff is like straight up paint. It's a pretty color. It's a little dark for me, but I will give it a try and get some use out of it. So I'm not unhappy about that. The thing that was my surprise hit this month was the balm. Pedal to the metal and shift into overdrive. This is, I guess it could either be, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you guys, this Colored Rain is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $17. This, I think, would buy about half of that. This Pedal to the Metal by the Balm, I don't know what is with this formula, but it's like a cream. I'm going to read the thing. It says, we're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desk in its shimmery cream shadow. Has quickly become a new go-to. Yeah, it's a cream shadow. Guys, this stuff is just gorge. It is just such a nice consistency. And what I like about it is it's not like that crazy straight up glitter. It's a pretty color that you could definitely just swipe on those lids before you go to work and leave and not have to worry about anything else. So I really like this one. So overall, I'll get use of this. I love this. This I felt was a little kitty. I'm excited to try this, and this I won't get any use out of. So 3/2, it's okay. Not my favorite, not worth $12. I don't think that it's worth $12 for these 3 samples. Overall, I feel like Ipsy really needs to do a better job with these. But am I totally disappointed? No. Do I think Ipsy can do better? Yes. So that's how we land on this one. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked it, give me a like. It helps YouTube, recommend me to other people. Follow my page on Instagram, lifestyle.ella, if you want all my reviews and depth reviews, and follow me here on YouTube for my unboxings. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.